Hello and welcome to another 3D Ross tutorial. Today we're going to go over breaking down scenes and objects into basic shapes. And this is something you need to look at when you're wanting to model a 3D model from reference. So I'm going to start with this Counter-Strike map because I think it might be something people can relate to and what people know. So basically this map is pretty much just cubes, so you have a square pathway here. You have square pathway up here. These baskets are pretty much just cylinders, but they've been extruded inwards. These buildings here are just square. These boxes here are obviously just square. These doorways are pretty much fit into a square boundary, but they've just got a curve over the top. So yeah, that's that one. So everything's pretty much square on here, apart from obviously the barrels that are cylinders. So next, a tank. Quite advanced shapes, but really it's just the same. You've got the square top on here, but they've just extruded it out and moved some of the faces inwards here. So you've just got like square face here, and it's just been moved in, and then that's been moved out. You've just got a square body along here, but it's been moved in different places. You've got a square down here, and then the tracks just cylindrical, and obviously the barrel is just cylindrical. So yeah, that's pretty basic as well. So next one is the Counter-Strike map nuke. So we've just got cylinders along here. Got cylinders along here. This is just a cylinder with a half circle on the top to round it off. Same with this here. Obviously this building's pretty square. So is the doorway. This roller shutter casing here is just cylindrical. Obviously this is cylindrical. These poles are cylindrical. This is square. The building's square. So basically it's just got squares again. Obviously this is just like a cube, but it's been extruded out at the bottom. So yeah, that's pretty simple as well. And the map terminal of Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, which many of you probably know, the planes are cylinders going along here, and then it's just scaled inwards for the nose. Obviously these boxes are square, but with a little chamfered edge at the bottom. Square here, cylindrical pole, square here, cylindrical barrels, cylinder here, cylinder for the wheels. So as you can see, things can be broken down pretty easily into a square and a cylinder. It's just knowing when to use what, and also tops, you use spheres at the top, but just cut off the sphere midway. So just cut off the faces at the bottom. You're left with a curved top, and then you just combine or bridge the two. So as you can see, many scenes and objects can be broken down into simple geometry. It's just see when you use them, so don't overcomplicate a scene. Just break it down into the simple things it needs, and then build upon the details like the curved windows and things like that later. But down the basic shape of the scene first, and things aren't that complicated. So hopefully this has helped you, and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. If you want some more tutorials on 3D modeling, texturing, using Autodesk Maya, subscribe and feel free to check out the channel. Thanks for watching. 3D Ross out.